Click on the link below to get price. The Portable Air Dehumidifier 2-in-1 Dehumidifier Anion Purifier Electric Air Purifier is a remarkable solution for anyone looking to improve their indoor air quality while effectively managing humidity levels. This compact unit combines the functionalities of a dehumidifier and an air purifier, making it a versatile addition to your home or office environment. One of the standout features of this product is its dual functionality. As a dehumidifier, it efficiently removes excess moisture from the air, preventing mold and mildew growth, which can be particularly beneficial in damp spaces like basements or bathrooms. The anion purification system enhances air quality further by releasing negative ions that help neutralize airborne particles, allergens, and odors. This dual-action approach not only creates a more comfortable atmosphere but also promotes health benefits by reducing allergens and improving respiratory conditions. In terms of design, the Portable Air Dehumidifier is both sleek and compact, making it easy to fit into various spaces without being obtrusive. Its lightweight design allows for easy transportation from room to room, providing flexibility in use. The noise level is impressively low, allowing for discreet operation during the day or night, which is a significant advantage for light sleepers or those who work from home. The user-friendly controls simplify operation, allowing you to set your desired humidity levels with ease. Additionally, the energy-efficient design ensures that it won't significantly impact your electricity bill, making it an environmentally friendly choice. However, it's worth noting that while the dehumidifier is effective in smaller spaces, those with larger areas may find it less efficient. It's best suited for rooms of moderate size to maximize its potential. Overall, the Portable Air Dehumidifier 2-in-1 Anion Purifier is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance indoor air quality while controlling humidity. Its effective performance, sleek design, and user-friendly features make it a valuable addition to any home or office.